Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, let's get to it. I sent out a trade for the SPY. Just wasn't a very good trade at all on my part. It's very hard for me to, at the moment, to kind of, concentrate and focus. I'm not in the best shape right now physically. So I got some stuff going on. It's not really good at the moment, but I'm gonna do what I can. So I sent out the trade today for the SPY. So let's have a look at it here. First of all, let me clear all this. Let me clear the drawing here so that's not so convoluted. Well, it's not really convoluted. You should know what I'm doing at this particular point. So I'm on a 5-minute candle. So let's kind of get into it. Real account right there. Stock is in real time. Amex, New York stock just changed. NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time. Futures options, all real time. Forex, real time. Other real time. So real account. Trading live in real time, as I always do. Very few people show you why they do this or how they do it or if they can do it. So this is over 3 years running now, so you guys should get the point by now. So let's kind of get into it. I sent the trade out to you for the SPY. The box was drawn. If you want me to draw the box again, I could probably draw the box, but that would be defeating the purpose. I don't want to slow up the video. So here's the high right there. Here's the high. Here's the low. As you can see here, I got the low all marked off because that's what I was shooting for. So the trade I sent out to you, the first one was the 402 strike call. As you can see here, the SPY hit 423. So all in all, I mean, it was a pretty good trade the way I was looking at it. Let's go over here. I sent it out. You got it at 1026 and so did I. So I was looking at this. We're on a 5-minute candle, by the way. You can see the 5-minute candle right there. If you can't see it, I just drew it for you. So I was looking at this setup right here. So the SPY opened up right there. Just a ugly open. Let me draw the box for you, or let me show you where what the algorithms were actually doing. So from 9:30 up to 10 o'clock, that's what I was looking at. 5-minute candle. That could have been a good 15-minute trade right there, but it was just an ugly situation all the way around. Coming into pre-market, you can see it right there. It just wasn't loading properly. The market was just the market was mixed, so it was just too choppy. So I just like waited, and then when I saw this close right here, I knew there was going to be a reversal. And wouldn't you know it, there's the big reversal candle right there, and that sets up the move for right here for the next 15 minutes. And I waited for this candle to clear out, this 5-minute candle to close, and then I was looking at possibly taking a trade there, but because this is a spinning top on a 5-minute candle, when I was looking at it, I was just like, this thing could go either way. I guess the way this setup is, this is supposed to be actually a bearish inverted hammer, which is actually bearish. But as you can see here, what happens is this next candle here is a spinning top, so it's neutral or a pause candle, and then we get the rip out here for the high, and that's kind of when I sent out the trade to you. I was like, all right, if this thing is going to break out, it's going to break out right there on this particular setup right here, off of the spinning candle. to that one white soldier, right? And wouldn't you know it, hit the high, and then from there just proceeded to tank. So just wasn't it just the timing was off. I probably should have sent the trade out at 10 o'clock. That would have been a way better. So let's come over here to. I can do one day. Let me open this up here for you. So 10 o'clock, what do we have here? We have a bullish move right here on this candle right there. So that is a bull move. That is a bull candle. It's a bull close candle. One white soldier. And that is you could consider this this is an inverted hammer bullish. So that's a bullish reversal right there on that candle. That's a bullish hammer right there. There's the handle, and then there's the hammer right here. That's a bullish hammer, and that's an inverted bullish hammer, and that's a reversal. You can see it right here. So there's your rip. So I probably should have sent you the trade there, and I didn't. But I sent it out a little bit too late up here. So that's why we have that movement. So you can see here, lots of consolidation. This is pretty much high level consolidation right here. That's why I drew the box here. That's just high level consolidation. So what you get here is you get volume, you get price action, you get volatility, you get support and resistance. All right, that's all what's inside it. That's all what's inside of the box. Sorry about that. So, and that's when we get the high right there. Then I send out the next trade. I send out the next trade for you because of where the market was going. 11:55. So around 11 o'clock, I watched this pattern right here off the high. And then consolidation right here. So this is consolidation. Watched that big drop, then I watched a whole bunch of consolidation right there. Then another drop for the low, the bounce. Right? So what do we say off the bounce, off the low? There's going to be a move to the upside. And because the market was moving the way the market was moving, this is when I'm looking at this area right here, just consolidation pattern. So what happens here in this consolidation pattern is when I sent this out to you, I was looking at right here. I was looking at that move right there. It's stair-stepping down. That's when I took it because it's going to challenge for the low. And that move there again, hindsight's 2020, right? In the heat of the battle, when you have to look at stuff, you have to make a move, right? And when I sent that out to you, that's the configuration. That's the move up. And then you see it stair-stepping up, and then it just crashed back down again, right? And then let's keep moving this down. Like that actually was a good trade. I mean, there's no volatility today in the marketplace, which kind of sucked because had there been a lot of volatility, the vol today was it was less than 18%. So there's no vol in the marketplace. There's no vol for the options, and it just kind of just petered back and forward and just didn't really do anything. And when I'm looking at the overall marketplace, the marketplace was like split down the middle, 50-50 anyways. It was just a dull day. Just one of those trading days where you just, you got to scalp a little bit here and there. And then, so that was it for a double P. It was just a big move. Let me come over here and let me do the 5 minute. Let me open this up here so that you can see it. Really wasn't a lot of move from 400 down to 397. So basically a $2 and what is it? 422. What is it? 297. So basically a $2 and like 93-cent move. So not a big movement at all. At the end of the day, we're looking at 71 cents, minus 71 cents on the entire move for the day. So it's just not a good play whatsoever. I happen to take the second put again because I saw a pocket to get in, which was right here. This pocket right here, that's what I wanted to get in. But because the option right there is my pocket to get in, so I basically got in. Sorry, not this pocket right here off the high. That's just overall consolidation and volatility. But I had a different pocket to get in, so let me remove that drawing. When I sent the trade out to you, I actually exited out of the trade and then I took it again and I waited. Where was it? Off of this candle right here. Right off of this candle right here, I went into some mid-level consolidation, and then I took the put option again, and that was my trade right there. So let me mark that off for you. And this is where I got out right here because I just didn't want to hold it. Just didn't want to hold the position anymore because I was already behind in the position. That's when I got out on that candle right there. So you'll see it right here. I ended the day 669 minus 669. So took a loss of minus $669.51 for the day. So overall, it was just a day that I just. I'm not really doing the best health-wise. Got a lot of stuff going on. Just wasn't focusing. So I do apologize for that. I'll get some rest, and then tomorrow we're right back at it again. So we'll have a nice green day tomorrow for sure. So I'll be a little bit more on point for you guys and girls there. All right. So that's it from Double P. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.